Welcome back to Naath Global News for Today News. Please follow us on our channel and share. The African Union's Peace and Security Council (PSC) meeting expressed deep concern over the political and security situation in South Sudan and called for the release of First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. One person was killed and another injured after gunmen ambushed travelers in Tanj South County on Wednesday, the Minister of Information in Warrap State has said. Happening this afternoon, access to justice for women and girls on HIV, AIDS and GBV. Last week, the South Sudan HIV and AIDS Commission facilitated a crucial discussion on this vital topic. A key question emerged. Why are women and men often unwilling to report GBV cases? And what can we do to encourage more reporting? GBV reporting HIV and AIDS access to justice South Sudan. The Deputy Governor of Central Equatoria State, Paulino Lokudu Obid, has emphasized on the importance of collective effort in improving service delivery, curbing insecurity, and addressing land issues in parts of the state. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.